Welcome back to our episodes where we bring you the best tips and tutorials for mastering Microsoft Office. Today we are diving into the how to insert the graphics, the picture shapes, smart art. Okay, so let's get started. First up, let's learn how to insert pictures into your Word documents. And before that, we want to create a blank workbook. Okay, so here we have the blank workbook and we want to add here the pictures to insert a pictures. So go to the insert tabs at the top of your screens. Now we can click on the pictures buttons by clicking over here and click on the pictures buttons. And here you will use the three buttons like the device stock, images and pictures. Okay. So select where you want to where you see your pictures from you want to use. So for this tutorial, let's use these devices. And here I browse to find out the images you want to select it and click on the insert. For example, let's use the simple one, this one. Then I can easily use it over here and you can easily resize it and just by clicking, dragging to the corners, or for the resizing or move it around by clicking and dragging to the image itself. Okay. Also, you can change the layout by using this one. You can easily movable this one. Okay. And to insert a pictures from the online, select the online by using these pictures. Use the online pictures. You can search in images directly within your Word. So, for example, let's inserting the pictures. So now that you can just easily type it. For example, if I want to use like that football or this one and just hit on the insert, now you can see we have this one. Just selecting and just insert to insert the images. Okay. So from this way you can easily insert the online pictures by typing. You can use the you use this steps. Okay. Next up, let's use if I use this one, insert it again, and I want to do, let me do it. Go to the here, and we want to insert the shapes shapes and shapes can help you to illustrate your ideas more clearly. So to insert the shapes, go to the insert tabs again and click on the shapes. Okay. And you will see a drop down menu with the previous shapes like the rectangles, basic shapes, a black arrow, and equation shapes for flowcharts stretched by the banners and colors, and also the more. Okay. So you can easily select the shapes you want to use for your work. So like here, if I gonna click over with this arrow, just click and drag on your documents and draw it too. Okay. So now that we have draw the shapes, and you can customize it by using the shape formats and change fill colors and also the outline or effect to make it stand out. So for example, if I gonna use the colors outline, if I change here this outline, or I want to increase the outline of here and shape effect, you can easily make it more appealing over here. Now that we have changed this shape types. Okay. So now let's move on to inserting the smart art. Smart art is a perfect for creating dynamic and visual representation of information. To insert a smart art, go to the insert tabs again and click on the smart art. And this is the illustrations strip. So click over here and you will see a dialog box with the different categories like list, process, cycles, heresies, relationships, metrics, pyramids, picture, and also the more. Okay. Select the categories. This fits your needs and choose the smart art graphics. For example, let's use this one. or I can use the cycles over here and then click over here. I can just easily use it, the here, and I can just hit on the OK. Now that we have inserted SmartArt into our documents, you can then add text to each part of SmartArt by clicking inside the shapes. Okay. So for example, if I say this will be the A, and this will be the B, and this will be the C. Okay. So now that we have inserted the smart art with this one, so it will should come up with this one. And to customize your smart art, use the smart art design by selecting the smart art, and it will be pop up with the smart art design types. And here you can have the different style like this one, or change the colors. So which colors you want to use. So like here we have these colors, and you can also change the layout. You want to use the different layout over here. Okay. So this way you can easily ensure the pictures, shapes, and also the smart art graphics. So there you have it. Now you know how to insert picture, shapes, and a smart art in your Microsoft Word documents. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.